So now we move on to our next line of code, form underscore data, assigning that to self.dimensional forms with that square brackets open, form underscore type, and then close. This line demonstrates the power of key-based data retrieval. This line is using square bracket notation to access specific values for our dictionary. The brackets, so we're not setting up a list, we're using these brackets now for accessing values in the dictionary. The brackets act like a precise filing system that instantly locates the right information package. So form type contains the randomly selected key, let's say tesseract. When we write self.dimensional forms, form type, and remember, we just initialized form type the line before and assigned it to the value of that outcome of that random choice. So now we're using that in the very next line. We're using that value. And we're telling Python, go to the dimensional forms dictionary and retrieve whatever data is associated with the tesseract keys. The result is that form data becomes a complete dictionary containing all the tesseract's properties. Vertices 4D, edges 4D, description, mathematician, cross-section types. Everything we know about that 4D shape. This is dynamic data access. We do not know ahead of time whether we'll be looking up tesseract data, hypersphere data, or Klein bottle data. The form type variable contains whichever form happened to have been randomly selected by the system, and the bracket notation retrieves that corresponding data package. This all means we get this entire complete package with this, and our bracket notation adapts automatically. It retrieves tesseract data when form type happens to be tesseract, hypersphere when form type is hypersphere. If other things are added to it in the future, then they get pulled into that random selection. If they happen to be chosen, then we're going to retrieve all of those properties associated with whatever it chose. This demonstrates the relationship between keys as addresses and values as data packages. The bracket notation acts like a precise filing system that instantly locates the right information.